morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. Student, now I am going to teach a new topic, food and health. Student, you know what is the food? Food and our health both are closely related to each other. If you want a healthy life, if you want a healthy body, then you need a proper food, balanced diet food. Food not means you take anything, you take junk food, you take packed food. No. We need such type of food which contain nutrients. Because our body need nutrients. Different things our body need. Because when our body become healthy, when we become healthy, then such healthy body become protect our body from the disease. Okay. So if you want the free from disease, you need a healthy food. Student, you see nowadays COVID. According to doctors, if we take vitamin C, if we take vitamin A, vitamin B, if we take zinc, if we take calcium, then corona become not affected in our body. Because when corona become enter in our body, then first it become break our calcium, our zinc, our vitamin, our proteins. So first we need such type of food which contain such type of nutrients. So what is the food? See student, we all need food to live. Food give us energy to do different kinds of activities. The substance which our body needs are called nutrients. Our body need nutrients. And how we get such food? We get such food from plants and animals. Something we get from the plants, something we get from the animals. Means both plant and animal are the main source of our food. And student, if we get proper food, if we get a balanced diet, then our body become healthy. So the substance which our body needs is known as the nutrients. Student, our body need 5 type of nutrients, and such 5 type of nutrients are the, see, first one is the carbohydrates, second one is the fats, third one is the proteins, fourth one is the vitamins, and fifth one is the minerals. Because student, such food provide us energy. If we get energy, then with the help of energy we do different type of work. Our all metabolic process performed by the energy. And how we get energy? We get energy from the food. That's why when we become tired, then we need food. Okay? So when we get food, we get energy. Okay student, so our body need 5 main type of nutrients, and such nutrients are the carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. So student, such all 5 nutrients we get from the different sources. Okay, so student, first one is the energy giving food, means the food which give us energy. Student, all the person who do the physical work, all the labor, any person who do the physical work, they need energy. So how they get energy? So some special things when they become eat, then they get the such amount of energy. That's why they name it the energy giving food. Okay. So student, it is rich in carbohydrate and fats. Carbohydrate and fats, 2 are the main source which provide us energy. And such carbohydrate and fat, it become occur in the one special form. One is the special substance. So student, it give us energy to our body to perform various activity. From morning to evening, what we are doing by our body. Okay, we can do any activity, we perform any activity, our all metabolic process. Okay, all the physical work performed by the such type of food. So student, 2 things. First one is the carbohydrate and second one is the fat. So what is the carbohydrate? Student, the carbohydrate are the main source of energy. And student, you know, the carbohydrate, their taste are the sweet. So the things which contain the sweet taste, this is the carbohydrate. And such carbohydrate provide us energy. So tell first one who the sweet taste: sugar, jam, jelly, rice, potato, feed. Means all the things which is the sweet taste, it contains the carbohydrate, and carbohydrate provide us energy. But such things is the required for those person who do the physical work, not that type of person who only eat and sleep. No. If you only eat, if you become only two activity, only eat and sleep, you don't do any physical work, please don't eat such type of food. Eat food but very less amount. Otherwise, because when carbohydrate amount become increase, because when we become eat sugar, then we need to burn sugar. And how the sugar become burned? How the glucose become burned? When we do the physical work. When from our body such glucose become released in the form of sweat, then their importance. Otherwise, when glucose level become increase, then very common disease. You know the disease name? Diabetes. And you know when the one type diabetes become start, then all the things, all the carbohydrate, doctor advice, please don't eat such type of things. Okay. And second one is the student fats. Student fat provide more energy than carbohydrate, but they do not give us instant energy. Means when we eat carbohydrate, then we need to do physical work. If we cannot do the physical work, then such fat become deposit in our body, and the result obesity. You know student obesity? Motapa. And when time obesity become start, very common disease. What? Tell? Blood pressure. Means carbohydrate and fat both are the important for our body. We need such type of things. But when we eat such type of things, then very basic things, we do the physical work. The result, such things, such energy become released from our body, and we perform our activity. But if you will eat only fat, if we eat only carbohydrate, and if you don't want to do any work, then such carbohydrate, such fat deposit in our body, and the result, when the excess amount of carbohydrate become increased on body, then diabetes, and excess amount of fat, then obesity. Example like cream, butter, ghee, oil, etc. Okay, student. So the next topic we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you.